It has been dry across the west this last several weeks, and here's a look at a map showing many locations across the west that had their driest July on record. Many of these are tied for the driest July on record, including Lewiston, which had a trace of precipitation, and that tied its record. So dry throughout the majority of the western United States. Spokane, we did not set a record for July, but we were certainly well below average. We had 0.06 of an inch of precipitation officially at the airport in Spokane. Our record for July is 0. Set back in 1883. In the number 2 spot is a trace, and then a trace goes all the way through the number 15 spot. Julys are very dry in the inland northwest. In fact, our average is just a little over a ½ inch, 64 hundredths, but it has been exceptionally dry, and our temperatures were above average for July as well, a departure from June. Here's a look at our satellite and radar. There's no moisture to be found in the Pacific Northwest right now. Very dry conditions continue. We are bringing in some cooler air, however, and that is going to help a little bit with the fire danger situation. It is one extreme to another. While we're dry on the west, flooding rains continue to cause major problems all along the east coast from Georgia to Maine, and we are continuing to find showers and thunderstorms producing very heavy rain there. Temperatures, meanwhile, across the nation, 108 for a high in Las Vegas. It was 111 today in Phoenix. We've cooled down in Seattle and Portland. Temperatures only in the lower 70s. It was 68 degrees in San Francisco and 87 in Minot. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 78 for us tomorrow. Winds picking up in the afternoon with gusts to 25 miles per hour. 80 on Saturday. Both temperatures below average. We're back up to average on Sunday and then heading to above average readings next week. Keith?